Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing our famous versus battle. We're checking out the Ipsy Glam Bag versus the Macy's Beauty Box for September. Now, if you guys have never seen this unboxing before, we are going to be comparing two subscriptions against one another, starting with the Ipsy Glam Bag, but we're also going to be checking out the Macy's Beauty Box. Now, these subscriptions are very similar to one another. They both are relatively about the same price. Ipsy costs about $1 more each month. You will receive sample-sized beauty items each month with these subscriptions. So I always find that it's just fun to compare them since they're so close to one another. Lately, I feel like Macy's has been giving Ipsy the win. Like, they've just been giving them a silver platter saying, here you go, you win. So let's get down to it, shall we? So for September, we have a theme of enter your soft era. So apparently we are going for a soft vibe. You know what's crazy? I don't know how, but that photo looks soft. It looks like cashmere. How do they do that? Oh, this is cute. Okay, I love this bag, you guys. Now, I don't know how you guys, but I have not seen any spoilers. I didn't see one thing about this bag this month, but this is really cute. Now, I love this color that they went with, like, for the background, because I do think that's giving me those soft vibes that they're going for. Really fun and whimsical. It looks like an artist's rendition of something. Like, it looks like their interpretation of, like, dance, or I don't know. I just get this almost like Peter Pan Neverland vibe. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I'm really out there on this, but I do like the creativity with this bag. So even on the back, there's little details too, which this is unusual for Ipsy. I mean, they've done cute bags before. I'm not saying they've not done cute, but they don't usually do like little details like this. So first item that I have in here today is a makeup brush. This is from SL Miss Glam. I always know because of these two rhinestones, you guys. So in every one of her brushes, she includes two rhinestones. Other than that, it doesn't say the brand anywhere else. So this is the only way that I know it is because of those rhinestones. So if she ever gets rid of the rhinestones, I'm screwed. So it is just a fluffy blending brush. It does have a little, you know, like wonky angle going on. It got a little squished in shipping, but it'll do. So this brush retails for $21.50. It is the large fluffy bird blending brush. Next item inside of our box today is from Innisfree. This is the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. 15 mil, good size. So I'm not sure what this does just yet. Glow cream. Is this like just a skincare product? It's so cute. Look at this little bottle. He's just so short and cute, you guys. I love it. So this is apparently a moisturizer. Weird, I did not get moisturizer anywhere from this packaging, but it says it has a jelly-like consistency that will give your skin hydration and a major glow. It has niacinamide and cherry blossom extracts to give you a dewy-looking complexion. Okay. I kind of get it with this soft theme that they're going for, so all right, this sounds interesting. But I do like how much product they gave us. There's also a product from By Ro in here. This is the Chamomile Tea Cleanser. So we have 20 ml of product. This is cruelty-free and vegan. By Ro is a great brand, so I love that. And again, lots of product here, which if you guys know Ipsy, Ipsy's been stingy at times. So this is a lot of product for a sample, to be honest with you. Now this is a hydrating gel cleanser that features chamomile tea inside of it. And it says that it will also give you a brightening complex after cleansing your skin. So it's kind of interesting that we have a jelly moisturizer and a jelly cleanser, and they both are going to give you a brightening effect too. Next item is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Fanning and Volumizing Mascara here today. I think I chose this item as my product, but maybe I didn't. So every month, if you are an Ipsy member, you're able to customize one of your 5 items inside of your bag. They will give you an option. So there'll be like 5 or 6 different choices, and then you can choose one of those items for your bag. So this one will be just their travel size, but it is a 24-hour mascara that will help to fan out your lashes. And the shade that we have here is black. So I do love Benefit. I'm familiar with this mascara and I'm pretty sure I chose it, but I could be wrong, you guys. This is the one that has the curved wand, and I always stab myself with these curved wands, but they're really good. Like, this formula and the bristles are great at giving your lashes volume and length. So it's really good if you can just, you know, be talented with a curved wand. Last item that we have in the Ipsy bag today is an eyeshadow palette. Ipsy in for the clutch here, you guys. This is from Pink Lips. And we have the Mauve Mia Mini eyeshadow palette. This is cute. So 5 pans of shadow is what we have here. It's definitely giving me kind of like a Natasha Denona dupe vibe, you know what I mean? I'm not saying they intended to do that, but it looks very similar. And then this is what the color story will look like down below. I do think it's a gorgeous color story. I love the berry tones. Berry colors, to me, are some of the best shades because you can make them fun and flirty, but you can also go really sultry and sexy at the same time. So I feel like they're very versatile. So I love this whole palette. I mean, this is pretty good, right? Like, hear me out. Because I do know on this channel, we all kind of agree that Ipsy at times can be really stingy and really overpriced and they don't listen to us, right? Like, I get it. We've all been there with Ipsy. But this is actually done really well. I even think in terms of the theme of this soft vibe, all of those products fit that theme too. Even the color story, the soft bristles on the brush. Like, I feel like they did a great job curating this whole bag. I will use all of these products and I like that they're not stingy this month. So good job, Ipsy. I will give this one to you. Well, not all the way yet. We still got to check out Macy's, but I'm just saying it's been a good month for you. So next up is the Macy's Beauty Box for September 2024. If you were to sign up right now in the month of September, you would be receiving October's box as your first box. So there is no way you'll be able to get exactly what I'm going to show you guys here today. They always give you the following month after you sign up. So inside, we will have a bookmark, and this will tell you a little bit about the theme, and then there is a QR code where you can scan it and see a little bit more about your products. They also include a coupon code in here, which you guys can use this one if you want it. It's a $10 off a $40 purchase at Macy's, so you can use it at their entire department store. You cannot use it on your beauty subscription box. So it is kind of fun that every month you do receive a coupon. If you love the products, you can stock up, save some money. You've got this coupon. And then, like I said, this will be your theme over here, which is all-time icons and fresh faves. Well, look at this. We have a bag this month, you guys. So this is our free bonus item for September. You will always receive a free bonus item. It does not mean that it will be a bag. It can be anything and everything. But for this month, it is a bag. This one has got a really fun, like, crinkly paper design to it. So it's really textured. Yeah, do you see all that texture there? It's pretty, and it looks like flowers at some angles on here. It's kind of got like this sunflower golden vibe. It's fall, that is for sure. So this is what it looks like inside. This one, it doesn't say if it's a part of a collab or not. I don't see a brand name anywhere, but it does have that P65 warning for California. It is listed on here. It says this product can expose you to chemicals, including lead, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, and other reproductive harm. So apparently there's something inside of this bag that we need to be careful with. The zipper on here is really tough, and it's a lot thinner than the Ipsy bag. So if I compare bag to bag, Ipsy's definitely winning the point for that. Well, would you like to take your first look at the Macy's box? This is it, you guys. All of it bundled together. I mean, I don't know what's going on, you guys, but I open up the Macy's box and it feels so lackluster just at first glance. So first item that we have in here, I will say, good brand name. This is Elamis. We have the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is one of their best-selling products. It is a cult favorite. It's won a bunch of awards as well for this product, so it is great. We have 0.3 ounces or 10 grams here, so definitely just a sample amount. Because of how expensive this product is as a full-sized item, even this sample I know is going to be, it's going to have more of a value to it than you would think. I do like it because it is a soft balm and it will help to remove makeup and dirt and oils, and it doesn't strip your skin. It's not harsh. It's not going to dry it out, and it's also great for sensitive skin. So I do recommend this product. It is a really good one to have in here from Macy's. I will say, great brand name, and I know it works. The next item that we have in here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Clear Brow Gel. We have 1.5 ml of product. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and even PETA certified, you guys, which is really awesome. So this is a best-selling product once again, and it is going to be a clear gel. It is so tiny, you guys, like it's just the tiniest little thing. And inside you're gonna have a very small spoolie that you can use for your eyebrows to help to shape and mold them with that clear gel. So it is, you know, a best-selling product. I love the brand name once again, but it is a really small product. The next item that we have in here is from Kiehl's. This is their Hydro Plumping Serum Concentrate. So it's 5 ml of product. And this serum is supposed to give you hydration, but also give a natural plump back to your skin. So tiny little sample again. Ironically, this is what's crazy. This is what I've grown to expect from Ipsy, is samples of this nature that are this size. But I will say it's a great brand name. It's just so small that there's not a lot of product there to work with. The next item that I have in here is from Tony Moly. It is a pumpkin. There's a pumpkin. No. It's not a pumpkin. It's a plumpkin. I love it. These are retinol eye patches from Tony Moly. This does give us the fall vibes. I love that. I think this is super cute. Okay, love that this is in there. That's a really good one. There's also a product from MAC in here. This is the Lash Primer. So this is a product you will put on before mascara. I actually use a lash primer today. I use it all the time, but I did put it on today. And what it is that it's an all white formula. So you will just put this on like traditional mascara, except it's gonna make them white. I let mine set for just a little bit, just that way it doesn't fall right off. And then you'll go over it with your normal mascara. So then that black will cover it up. What's great about this being such a white color in contrast to the black is you'll know if you've coated it or not. Because if you still see white on your lashes, you're gonna know, okay, I need to put mascara there. So it's kind of a great way to make sure your lashes are evenly coated. But the idea behind this is that it will help to give you more length for your lashes, and you can actually have longer looking lashes because of it. So this is what it will look like here. This is a curved wand. What's fun about this is if you notice, it's got a lot of different fibers on here of different lengths. So you can actually turn it to really get a good coat on your lower lashes and on those top lashes as well. Now this is a shock. We have not had fragrance samples in here in months, you guys. And this is one of my favorite things about the Macy's Beauty Box. So for September, we do have 2 of these fragrance samples. They're from the same brand, but just different scents is what we have here. So we have Fame and Phantom from the Rabanne company. So these are the 2 of them here. So Macy's used to always put 2 fragrance samples in every single month. And that way you could try them out, see if you like the fragrances without having to spend $200 on that full-size bottle or not. I loved getting these because it saved me so much money in the long run. And it's also another incentive. Nobody else really does fragrance samples, and Macy's just adding in a couple each month. It was kind of their thing. But like I said, the last few months, they haven't sent us any. So the Fame scent features jasmine in it and sandalwood cream. So let me see. Ooh. This is a great mixture. It honestly, it smells feminine with the flowers, with that jasmine flower, but the sandalwood in there gives it a little bit of masculinity as well. So it's kind of like a great unisex scent, I think. The other one that we have is Phantom, and this is vanilla, lavender, and orange blossom. All right, let's smell this. Oh, yeah. Now this is definitely vanilla and lavender. That's all I smell are those two together. It smells like a very soft lavender. So that is everything for the Macy's Beauty Box for September, you guys. Actually, it wasn't as rough as I thought it was going to be. I really thought Macy's was going to struggle this month, but this turned around. Like, it's much better than what I initially thought. So as far as who won for September, couple of things to note. Macy's sent 7 items, but not including their free bonus item, versus Ipsy did 5 items, not including their free product. So Macy's does have more products inside of it. The other thing that I like is Macy's has expensive brand names in there. Now, I do know with Ipsy, they did have By Row. That was great. But when you have Elemis and Anastasia Beverly Hills in here, those MAC Cosmetics, that does help push that over the edge a little bit. There's a higher retail value there. They are a little bit more of a luxury brand than like some of the other ones we saw in Ipsy. So I do think the brands are better with the Macy's box for this month. Now, having said that, Ipsy gave us significantly more product to actually use than the Macy's box does. Macy's, while they have great brands, the product sizes are really small. I mean, 1.5 mil, 5 mil, versus with Ipsy, we had 15 and 20 mil of product. So we have a lot more product to use that it will actually go further with the Ipsy bag. So truthfully, I think it was a draw this month, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like they both did a really good job and they both have winning points because I think Ipsy's bag is better than the Macy's bag. I think they're both at a draw. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what do you think? Who would you vote for as having the best box this month? But I honestly am not mad at either of these. I am good with both, which is a great feeling, especially when you're purchasing these. So I think they were both winners for September. So if you guys are interested in seeing the Ipsy versus Macy's battle in October, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to my channel. That way you'll be notified when I upload my next video. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!